In rec therapy, we play all kinds of games. It might just look like playing apples to apples, but it's also addressing like social skills, fine motor skills.
A lot of my classes are disability related and focused on therapeutic recreation. All of those classes kind of go hand in hand with my current job in that field. I started working for SRA-CLC when I was in high school. I supported people with disabilities throughout high school and college. I realized this is what I want to do. Right now I'm a recreation program leader, so I lead social programs, community outings, arts or cooking, and during the summers I supervise one of our day camps. Some days I'm at UWM during the day and then I'm working a program at night, so it's kind of cool to go from learning about my future career basically to applying that at work later, and it's been helpful with developing my leadership skills. I actually got a promotion, and after I graduate, I'll be starting full-time as a recreation supervisor. I really love getting people to try new things and stepping out of their comfort zone. That's like the thing I enjoy most.